Hey everybody, this is Adam from Daggerfish, and today I want to make a quick video for you to talk about our fishing accessories and the two-way belt system that they all have in common. This is my typical setup for when I go out on a wilderness fishing trip. So I've got my hand line with a sheath and a reel cover. I've got a pair of mitten scissors, which are really great for cutting line or getting hooks out of fish. And I've got a fly wallet with a few flies inside here. What's cool about all of these accessories is they all use the same two-way belt system on the back. This patch of leather with these 4 brass snaps allows belts to go in this direction or backpack straps to go this way. What that means is you can rig these on a crossbody strap, hang them from your hips, put them on a backpack strap or a pair of waders, and move them around as you need for whatever trip that you're taking. If you want to learn more about these accessories, what they do, how they're made, anything else, you can find that information at our website, daggerfishgear.com. We'll see you there.